What's up, everybody? It's your boy Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. So Amazon seller called DotStone have sent me out a music sync LED strip for review, and we're going to go over it and see what it's all about. I'm pretty excited about this because I always did wanted the LED strip, but this one here is no app needed. So let's go on and open this up and see what it's all about. So sit back and relax and get your popcorn ready. Let's have some fun and follow me on this journey. Let's go. What's up, guys? This is Eric back with another video. So Amazon seller sent me out these LED strip lights for review called DotStone here. So let's go ahead and open up this package and see what it's all about. I'm pretty excited about this one. All right, so upon opening up the package, you got your user manual on top, and you got your LED lights here, which is nice. Again, this is 2 meters. All right, you got your remote control, nice, beautiful remote control here. Got a nice little color array here. All right, and you got your charging port here, which is nice. All right, you got your control box. All right, so the way you hook this up, you got USB. Right here, you got to connect this to a power source or something like one of your cell phone chargers. All right, here you connect this to the LED lights, and you got optical. So, and here you got the kind of internal speaker there that can listen. And this is the music active LED strip control box. And on the side here, you got your mode button. And so this how I look. Let me go to unravel this here, and let me go to plug this up, and we go play us some jams. So check this out. All right, as you can see, I got the LED lights connected here. When you connect it is real simple. You connect it right here through the piece, and you just plug it right on there. And again, I'm using the USB to one of my cell phone chargers going to the plug here. At this point, I can do everything from the remote control. So I can change the colors here, as you can see, changing the colors. This is awesome. I mean, just awesome. Look at that. Nice and pretty. And you have different modes here that I can press. And when I press the modes, if I play music, that's what it's for. It's like it moves with the music. So let me go ahead and play some music so you guys can hear. And also I'm going to change the lights a little bit so we can get that effect. So check this out. All right, so I got the lights dim a little bit in the room. And as you can see, I got it wrapped around my robot there. And again, this is 2 meters, and it's nice, a nice little LED strip. And I can control it with the remote control here. And you can go through the different colors. You can speed up however you want this to go. See, I'm kind of speeding up a little bit, and I'm kind of slowing it down a little bit. And as you speed it up or slow it down, they would go through the constant colors. Now, you can have it on one consistent color, but I got it going on the array of colors right now. And as you can see, it's pretty neat. But I'm going to turn on the music here, and I'm going to let it dance to the music. All right, and you do have a menu mode button here on the side. See that? Press it again. There it is. Oh yeah, let's party. And again, you can do everything from the remote. Oh yeah, so this is pretty neat. And as you can see, it's pretty dope. Oh yeah. So on the back of this, you got the adhesive that you can stick as your leisure. Oh yeah. Oh, that's dope. This is dope. All right. Now, as I talk, you can see that it's lighting up because of my voice. And I got it on what's called music mode. So you can have this kind of behind the TV, and as the TV talking, the lights are turning colors and stuff like that. I know you guys seen this a lot on different videos and different TV shows and stuff like that. But that's the exact same thing here that this can accomplish. The DotStone LED lights is waterproof and has 3 different sizes. You can get this at 2 meters, 5 meters, and 10 meters. I will leave all the links down in the description below. I want to thank DotStone for sending me out this product for review. This is Eric from Easy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the LED lights in all its glory. See you guys on the next video. Peace.